It's important to have your map scale set correctly. If your floor plans indicate dimensions, you can use those to set the map scales. To verify how map scales have been configured for your floors, open up a floor, go to the right hand side and next to Set Map Scale, click on the pen symbol. Here you will find the configured map scale. If you have doubts on whether this map scale has been set correctly, you can check how your floor will look like via the preview. Just click on the preview button here. This is how it actually should look like. I will show you an example of a floor with an incorrect map scale. You clearly see that something is wrong. It just looks weird. If you have doubts on whether the map scale has been set correctly, or if you know for sure that the map scale has been set incorrectly, always reach out to us and we will assist you further.